welcome back to Red Ted Art and our super simple Christmas card series. This is a compilation of the videos that you might have seen already, and I've brought them all together because I know some of you like to watch lots of different makes in one go. In this video you will see how to make the Christmas bauble card, the polar bear card, the penguin card, the elf card, and the simple Rudolph card. Maybe I should have called this the Christmas animal card roundup. Now I just wanted to mention, as I've mentioned before, I've got a new paper projects book out, and what's really special about this book and these cards are not in the book. However, if you learn how to make these lovely simple projects, you can adapt them and use them in the book as well. So for example, I've got these Santa gift bags. If you make these gift bags in these colours and decorate it in these ways, you suddenly have not 2 crafts here, but another 5. Or similarly, let's have a look, we have some super tin can pots. Where are you, tin can pots? For your pencils, when I find them you'll see. Where are you? Here we go. Here we go. Look at these tin can pencil pots. And again, if you use these designs, you can make these tin can pots and make them all Christmassy, super simple. So what I really love is learn how to make the designs and the individual cards, get the book, and make so much more. Anyway, let's take a look at these 5 crafts. But just so you can see them again in detail, we have our Rudolph card. If you want, you could add some little antlers, makes them a little bit cuter. We have the elf card, super simple, love the buttons, really fun. You've got the adorable penguin card. Now this actually is a tin can pot already. It's the same design. So if you like the tin can pot in the book, why don't you make a penguin? We also have a super cute polar bear, and we have these super simple Santa bauble cards. So 5 cards to make for Christmas. Perfect if you need to make lots of cards in a hurry. Once you've learned how to make these designs, have a look inside this book and have a think about how you can use these designs for different seasons. So for example, you might want to make these little gift boxes on the front, or maybe you'd like to make a pop-up card. Can you use these designs in this book and make even more Christmas crafts? Do check out the book, super easy, super fun project. Hope you love it as much as I do. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But above all, keep watching, keep making. I would love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.